Assalamu alaikum, this is Afran Jum welcoming you all to Evening News. You have just heard the Crown Cement headlines. Now let's move on to the details. Thousands of protesters of the anti-discrimination student movement held rallies across the capital Dhaka, defying rain to continue protest against the mass killings and arrests during the quota reform movement. Protesters of the anti-discrimination student movement started marching from Baitul Mokarram National Mosque towards Dhaka's Shahbag intersection. Following the Jummah prayers at Baitul Mokarram, people marched towards Shahbag via Polton Press Club, Motsho Bhavan and Shahbag. When the procession reached Shahbag and wanted to go towards TSC of Dhaka University, police of Shahbag police station stopped them. Protesters on the streets were chanting slogans demanding justice for the student killings. Students of different educational institutions brought out processions in Aftabnagar and Uttara. The students of East, West and Brack University and Rajuk Uttara Model School and College brought out processions demanding ousting of the current government for killing protesters by law enforcement agencies and ruling party men. The march has been organized to protest mass arrests and demanding justice for the mass killings censuring the quota reform movement, release of detained or arrested students and general people, withdrawal of the curfew and reopening of educational institutions. Meanwhile, processions were brought out across the capital Dhaka with people from all walks of life chanting slogans of ousting the ruling regime for killing innocent students. Members of the Anti-Genocide and Oppression Artists Society held a protest at Dhanmondi's Abahoni Field today, demanding the government's resignation over the killings of the students involved in recent movements. The protest, which included media and theatre artists, was organized to condemn the ongoing crackdown on student activists and the indiscriminate arrests. In protest against the ongoing repression, poets and writers organized a human chain under the banner of Aggrieved Poets and Writers Society at Bangla Motor area today. During the protest, speakers demanded accountability for each killing and shooting, emphasizing that Bangladesh was not liberated for carrying out such atrocities. The Udichi Shilpi Goshti medical students also organized processions today.
একেবারে একটা অনৈতিক একটা জায়গায় এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে কিন্তু এবং এর প্রতিকার হওয়াটা খুব জরুরি।
এতগুলো হত্যা করা হয়েছে, এত ছেলে মেয়েদেরকে ধরে অত্যাচার করছে, তার বিচার আমরা চাই।
আমি আমার নিজের বাচ্চাকে নিয়ে আজকে দাঁড়িয়েছি এবং এর দ্বারা অন্যান্য মা বাবাকে আহ্বান জানাচ্ছি আর ঘরে বসে থাকার সময় নেই।
আমার ভাই আমার সন্তানকে হত্যা করা হয়েছে এই দেশে।
বাস্তবে কতজন নিহত হয়েছে সেই সংখ্যা তো আমরা জানি না, সেই সংখ্যা আমাদের জানতে হবে, জাতিকে জানাতে হবে।
সোচ্চার হন যে হত্যাকাণ্ডের দায় আসলে কার? এই হত্যাকাণ্ডের দায় সরকারের।
রাস্তায় আমাদেরকে নির্বিচারে গুলি করে মেরে ফেলা হচ্ছে। এই আমাদের স্বাধীন বাংলাদেশ।
মুখে বলছি আমরা এই দেশের মালিক, কিন্তু বাস্তবে আমরা কিন্তু অনুভব করি আমরা এই দেশের দাস।
তিনি তো এমন নীতি তৈরি করেন যে নীতিতে আমার সন্তান গুলিবিদ্ধ হয়, তার সন্তান তো এই দেশে পড়াশোনা করে না।
বিনা উস্কানিতেই বলা যায় যে আমাদের উপর হামলা হয় এবং বেধড়কভাবে মারপিট করা হয়।
The 6 key organizers of the quota reform movement today said they did not voluntarily issue the statement to withdraw their movement, while they were forcibly detained by the detective branch of police. Since 19 July, the coordinators of the anti-discrimination student movement have been missing, arrested, tortured and harassed, mainly to disperse the movement and leadership. Subsequently, 6 coordinators were forcibly detained in DB custody in the name of security. They said no decision on the anti-discrimination student movement can come from the DB office. No decision will be taken as final without the participation of all the coordinators and agitating students across Bangladesh. They said in the statement that they were forced to sit on the dining table and then the video message were forcibly filmed. Awami League General Secretary Obaidul Qadir has said the students are not the government's opponents. He was speaking at a media briefing at the Awami League President's office at city's Dhanmondi today. He said even after fulfilling the demands regarding quotas in government jobs, a certain group is trying to exploit the situation by playing a government versus student game. He hopes students will not be used as a shield by anyone. He added that the scope of judicial inquiry commissions has been expanded to ensure proper investigation of each murder.
প্রতিটি হত্যাকাণ্ডের সুষ্ঠু তদন্তে বিচার বিভাগীয় তদন্ত কমিশনের সদস্য সংখ্যা এবং আওতা বাড়ানো হয়েছে। জাতিসংঘ সহ যেসব দেশ এই তদন্তের ব্যাপারে আগ্রহ প্রকাশ করে আমরা তাদেরকেও স্বাগত জানাই। তারপরে একটি মহল সরকার বনাম শিক্ষার্থী গেম খেলে ফায়দা লোকটার অপচেষ্টা করছে। তারা কারো অশুভ রাজনীতির ঢাল হিসেবে ব্যবহার হোক, এটা জাতি চায়।
And that's all from the newsroom for now. To know updates, videos of this bulletin, visit our website www.ntvbd.com. Besides, visit our YouTube and verified Facebook page for updates over NTV's all popular programs and bulletins. Our next bulletin, Shundhar Khabor, will be aired in Bangla at 7:30 p.m. Thank you for being with us. Have a good time.